Hi there, meteorologist Ed Valley here, taking a look at the Northeast. We have got a couple mood flakes moving in. This is very light snow. Temperatures are above freezing in these locations, so I'm not concerned about any sort of real issues. It's just a little bit of mood flakes, a little snow in the air, if you will. So not a bad day in New England, but again, the further west you go, a little bit of snow breaking out. But again, temperatures are above freezing. It's 34 in Allentown as we speak. It is 40 in Philadelphia, and it is just taking a look here at Newark. It is 39 degrees. So, again, none of this will be hitting the ground and accumulating, but just something to keep an eye on for the rest of today. Now, New England, it's a clear day today, clear from precip. There are clouds moving in from west to east. That'll continue to press in from west to east throughout the day. But precip with this system through tonight is pretty meager. You notice this first initial system with that very light snow, as we said, will break apart this evening. Maybe a flurry or a sprinkle in southern New England this evening. Maybe a couple snow showers overnight tonight in parts of northern New England. But again, it's not a big deal. Total precip between now and tomorrow morning. In the mountains, maybe you get up to an inch of snow, but a lot of areas not seeing much out of this. And then as we head through Wednesday doesn't look like a bad day. Cold air is vacating the region here on Wednesday. And we notice here as we get into Wednesday night, we talked yesterday about this being kind of a two-pronged system. Well, it's turning into really just a one-pronged system. This first little wave that's heading to the south just looks pretty meager on Wednesday night. And it's really not until we get during the midday and afternoon Thursday as this next system moves in. And the one difference between yesterday and today is this system is a little bit warmer again because that first system kind of petered out. So it's really just this bigger system here for Thursday. And the reason why it's so warm is if you look at the actual system, the low pressure is up near Hudson Bay. So out ahead of this system, if you look at the winds, you'll notice they're all out of the south. See the arrows here? They're all pointing up. That's a southerly wind. That's a warm wind. So you look at the temperatures aloft at 2,500 feet. Midday Thursday, it's near freezing in parts of northern Vermont and New Hampshire. But at 5,000 feet, you notice same thing. It's really not that cold. So we could see some snow at the summits here on Thursday, but most of this precipitation is going to fall in the form of rain here. It's a light precipitation. It's not heavy. And you look at the totals here for Thursday, these amounts in the higher elevations are overdone. The model has an issue with this. It's generally up to 1/4 of an inch of precipitation. Now, again, at the summits, might be just cold enough here in the summits for some snowfall accumulation. A couple inches of wet snow possible, but it's a pretty meager system, like I said. So you see it here on the European, again, the specks of blue in the higher elevations Thursday, rain along the coast. And as we head into Thursday night, colder air will rush in. It's a cold, largely dry day Thursday or Friday, maybe a couple snow flurries north. And this cold is going to continue to act as kind of a railroad track with maybe a few flurries here on Saturday. This Saturday system continues to weaken, if we're being honest. You look here on the GFS model for Saturday, you notice the same thing. That system that could have brought some light snow Saturday is really petering out. But we continue to see a bigger storm system Sunday night into Monday on the GFS. We also see it here Sunday night into Monday on the European model. The key differences here, obviously, the European Sunday night into Monday is snow north of I-90. The GFS is an ugly, icy, rainy mix of not great, we'll call it. Differences are very important here. The GFS has the low north of Syracuse, whereas the European here has the low near Nantucket. You can imagine how that'll cause some issues, right? Differences, right? So we'll continue to watch this, but Monday continues to look like the stormiest period of the next week, and it still favors rain along the coast. I would keep the door open for some wintry mischief north and west here for Sunday night to Monday, but again, pretty early in the process. It's only Tuesday, still 6 days away, so we'll continue to watch it. One more time for you. Again, just a few flurries tonight, north, snow showers. The things Wednesday night to Thursday morning looks meager. A couple sprinkles or flurries, but then later Thursday night, rain, maybe some summit snow. Then cold comes back for Friday and Saturday. And then, again, we watch for a few flurries Saturday with that weak disturbance. Then a bigger disturbance, like I said, Sunday night into Monday. So temperatures here, let me pull those up for you. You can see the total rainfall through the end of the week is up to 1/4 inch. It's not a big deal, but it would likely be liquid below about 2,500 feet. So for temperatures today, it is chilly. Tomorrow, we're going to warm it up a little bit and then warm it up further here for Thursday. 30s and 40s inland, 50s to near 60 along the coast. Then the cold hammer drops on Friday and Saturday, 20s and 30s inland, 40s along the coast. That sticks around even for Sunday before we warm up a little Monday again. You can imagine that with this storm system around Monday, it'll be colder north and west, warmer along the coast. So we'll worry about that when we get closer. But the takeaway here for the weekend will be much colder conditions returning. Pretty good snowmaking weather here across the north. So that's what we got. Have a great Tuesday. We'll talk to you again here tomorrow.